It's at my house, but I don't have a micro SD. It doesn't have a micro SD slot. So the only way I could put it in is if I have a USB to micro SD. Yeah, it's not expensive. Yeah. Oh, that's a good start. It's a Thunder Bee shell. I have a bad experience with these.
I'll try my damnedest, alright?
I'm just rushing